Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to compress a lot of files and folders into parts. That means you are going to create a zip file, but actually it separates into many parts. How are we going to make this? You need to just install the 7-zip first. This is a free software. You can just go to the official site, the 7zip.org, to just download the zip file, the 7-zip. Then once you already install in your computer, let's say now if I want to just make this a zip folder, but I'm going to separate into parts. What you need to do is just right click it, then 7-zip, add to archive. Now you can see how many parts that you want to separate. You can just choose from here how many MB. For example, I want to separate by about 100 MB into parts. Then here the format, you can choose zip or 7Z, it's okay. So as demo, I'm going to just make it zip file. Then each of the volume, each of the parts is 100 MB. Then I click OK. Now it is going to just, you can see it is going to just separate into many parts. Sometimes we just need to separate it into many parts so that it is easier for you to just upload to somewhere. Now you can see many parts. It already 11, 12. Each of the parts is 100 MB. Alright. So actually, you can choose like 4 GB or 1 GB. It is okay. It is up to you. Now it's separate into different parts. I'm going to just wait for this to finish, and I'm going to show you how to extract it as well. Now it is already 26 parts. Alright, almost done. Now I'm going to pack all of these parts into just go to another folder. Then I will just choose it from my desktop. You can see each of the parts are 100 MB. Alright, as long as you put all of this inside just one single folder, just all put together all of these parts, collect them all. Then what you need to do, how are we going to extract it? You just need to just right click the first one, 7-zip, then extract to add-on for CS. For example, I click, then it is going to extract it into the folder. You see the folder is at here. Now it is still extracting. So here I just refresh. The folder will be at the top here. Alright, just wait for it to finish. Alright, almost finished. Now done. Then check for your files. For example, the add-on for CS, it already extracted. It is exactly same as the original folders. Just compare. Alright, this is the original folder. This is the one that I just extracted. So I just right click and check the properties. Here also, right click, check the properties. Just compare them. The size at here, it is exactly the same. How many files, how many folders, it is exactly the same. Alright, that's all. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to compress your files and folder into a lot of the separate parts just by using the 7Z. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your computer skills, improving all this and that, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy